Disclaimer. This video is just for fun and has nothing to do with one's curriculum. It's truly made for informative purpose. Enjoy. Hello, welcome back to the Python programming series. In this video we will be making a bot that will attend your online classes. So let's start. As you know that online classes have become boring, and you need to sit there for marking your attendance. So I decided to use my programming skills and make a bot in Python that will attend my classes and then also give my attendance. Let's start. I will first show the working. Currently I have only made the bot for Zoom. So here you can see that we have the code. It looks big but it isn't that hard. So the current time is 5:38 and my class is at 5:40. So it's time. Let me run the code. As you can see, it has printed the current day and time. And as soon as it is 5:40 it will open the Zoom link and start the class. So this is the Zoom link. I have made a dummy link just to give an example. And this is the code, a bit lengthy but easy. So 1 minute is left and then it will start automatically. So now this is automatic process, so if I interrupt this it won't work properly. So I keep the mouse aside and become off, can wait for it to start the meeting. At any moment hence, it will start. So as you can see it started. First open the Zoom link. Now you can see that there is a pop-up, and the fact is that you cannot make a default setting to close it. So I have designed this bot that it will clear the pop-up and then start the meeting. So here as you see it is clearing it. Now it is joining the meeting. Now the next step is to give the attendance, and it may be appearing a bit hard to do. So this bot also gives your attendance. Let's see how does it do. Remember, it is all done by the program and it's not a clickbait video. The bot also closes the Chrome, and as you can see it has closed it. So now it opens the chat box, enters your input, and then the message goes. So now you have seen how it works. By the way guys, it can also leave the meeting, but I haven't given it the correct time to leave. Let's see the code. Now in the first phase we import all the libraries. Just install all the libraries as shown. In my case all the libraries are already installed. I am copying the commands from my repository, the link in description. Now after installing and importing the libraries, first all the class timings have to be set in the variable. It should be in the 24-hour format and in hour, minutes, seconds type. Next here we need to put the class links or else it won't work. We just set some variables and then print the current day and time just for a reference. All other things are a bit difficult to explain, and now I will just show what you need to change for your working. First here in chat you can change whatever you want to type in the meetings chat box. Next here is the schedule. You can add more times, days, etc. Next here you can change the class timings so that the bot quits the meeting. It should be in seconds. You have to install Chrome driver so that the program can open the link. Remember, the driver should be in the same folder where you have saved the code. The link is in the description. All other things are synchronized. If you have a good knowledge about programming you can make changes. Also you can add more classes in the same way. Remember, this video was just for fun and you can use it if you want, but sitting there and studying would be good. That was the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed. All links, the code, everything is in the description. This video took a lot of effort, so please like and subscribe to the channel. And share this to your friends who don't want to study. We will meet again for another project. Adios.